when we bring youngsters into the masjid, kabhi kabar market mein chalta rehta hai kuch na kuch. You know, like youngsters do a few bent ones here and there. It's the way it works sometimes. I'm saying, if for example you have to bring youngsters in the masjid and they don't come maybe dressed as you would think they should come, or perhaps sometimes they may do something which is not normally conducive to the masjid environment, what you've seen and what you're used to, I say it's better for them to still come to the house of Allah rather than them going out on the corners and shotting mal on the streets and doing things which are haram and doing things which are impermissible, and they're at iman, at danger. So if someone comes to the masjid, maybe they're not dressed appropriately, embrace them, talk to them, mashallah, welcome brother, you know, how are things going? And don't ever say this statement, oh Eid ka chand, or you finally come after so long. It makes people feel ostracized. Okay, I've come after so long and you're also dissing me that I don't come. It's an unconscious communication, but then they'll feel I'm judged. You know, people become very nazak and very soft when it comes to the issues of deen. How I should be looking at is, okay, mashallah, this youngster came, alhamdulillah, he sacrificed those desires outside, the fitna outside, the temptations outside, and brought himself to the house of Allah.